Hi, this is Bird Pie. Whoa, sorry. I'm playing over the hedge. Stupid camera trouble. Last time I was on Jay and I brought Burn along, and we did the Martin. We're in the Martin residence, and I guess we have to get past the backyard. And here we go. And we used a fire hydrant, and I didn't save the bunny from the exterminator. It's that big plastic bunny. You probably know. Whoops. Camera. Well. There. Here we go. Rabbits! Bunnies! Ninja bunnies! Hey, a new trap, huh? You missed. I got a gun and I'm not afraid to use it. Vern!
Got a present for you.
Alright, where's that bunny at? Got it. Hey, my health it had up. Yeah, you have been raccoon. Candy and chips. Hyper. Anything else? Nope. A cooler. Open 2 coolers, find and talk to Rufus, get the laptop in the loot zone. Okay. Ow! You've been a bad bunny. A very bad bunny. Gopher time! Guess that's how I teleport.
Hey! That's what I'm talking about.
Hey, Vern, let's get on top of each other.
You're making me mad.
Ow.
That's what I'm talking about. Ah!
Haha.
You like this? You have been raccoon.
Where'd it go? Hello. Stop teleporting!
Watch the show. What did you do?
I'm going very slow here. Vern got a shovel.
You like this? Enemy, meet raccoon. That's what I'm talking about. Hey guys, look out!
Woohoo!
That's what I'm talking about.
Why am I going very slow here? Sorry guys, a phone call again. But don't worry. Whoops! And camera trouble.
Good.
Stupid camera.
I know
There.
what you mean. I know what you mean.
I have to beat this boss rabbit here.
Hey! That hurt.
go. Let's go. Ah! Oh, sorry. Didn't know that camera was down. There. That'll do it.
Looks like a dead end.
Yeah.
Well, you got your little surprise up there on the roof of that small building then. Real humdinger, too. I'd wager both my jeepers on it, yeah. Get yourself some fuel, and you're all set then.
Okay.
You sure you know what you're doing?
Mike, put your brother down right now. Sorry, gotta go. Kids.
Right, kids. Don't worry, you take care of those kids. I want this camera to cooperate. Got it. Uh-oh, that's in the alarm. Something. Ugh. Got that pizza. Uh-oh, it's going faster. That was close. I made it. Good. Camera trouble.
Sorry for being a bitch yesterday. Is that all you gotta say? Kinda was, wasn't it?
There. Oh, great.
What are you doing?
There. Hi guys, sorry. Another phone call again. I don't know why they won't stop calling. And why won't this camera cooperate? And there. There. Aha. I think that should work. Ow! There we go. I think I got a baseball hat. No. Whee! Yeah.
Tear this place up. What do you say?
Yeah. Yeah.
Right. You want to know what I got for you? In the end, they all come to the Blue Jay. Get this thing to the loot circle after this place is a bit more gopher free, would you? I got what you might call hollow bones.
Okay. Fine in time. Whee!
guys, look out! What's more enemy? Meet raccoon! Oh!
Okay, here we go.
Catch!
Okay, first we gotta make this squirrel free. Oh, it's not coming!
Bad guys, look out!
Sorry.
There we go. Wow. Nice how we can pick up that computer. Like that. Okay, we got everything we need. Let's go. There, played it all goes. Let's continue on, eh? Maybe there's a cutscene. There probably is a cutscene. Yep, I knew it. There is a cutscene, eh?
Woohoo! This is the only way to fly!
I'm no raccoon, but isn't this thing a little loud in the element of surprise department?
Burn! It's our landing that's gotta be covert.
Okay. Whoa. So much for the crash.
Nice landing.
Oh. Well, at least you got to see the cutscene.
This place is a death trap. What are the humans thinking?
Well, maybe jumping over lasers helps keep them trim.
We should get some lasers for the log. Now let's get to the disarm box.
I'll stop here for now. This is Bird Pie. Goodbye. See you next time. Oops. And turn it off.